The Avanti Stomp test. Safety brake test before the daily operation. This test is recommended for all Avanti's wire-operated service lifts installed with safety brake type OSL or ASL. Avanti recommend this test to be performed as part of the daily inspection before any use of the service lift. The Stomp test is recommended to the daily inspections described in the manual. As a preparation for the test procedure, make sure that the OSL or ASL is in a safe operational condition. Operator must enter the cabin and ascend upwards, with the cabin positioning the cabin's bottom approximately 3 meters or 10 feet above the bottom landing platform. Afterwards, the test procedure is the below listed steps. 1. The operator starts descending the service lift by pushing the down button on the pendant control box. When starting descending the cabin, the operator lifts his one leg with the knee angled in a position of approximately 90 degrees. Then the operator stomps his foot hard on the cabin floor. The stomping must engage the safety brake, and the electrical descending should stop immediately. If the lift is constructed with a red signal lamp, the operator must also check that the red lamp lights in the main control box. 2. After having performed the stomp, the operator activates the manual descend, not electric, and the cabin must not move. The cabin must be fixed in the arrested position on the safety wire, being held by the engaged safety brake. 3. In order to release the engaged safety brake, the operator pushes the upward button for 3 seconds to make the cabin ascend a little. Pull the unlocking handle to disengage the safety brake. If the safety brake disengages and all the executed steps fulfill the listed function demands, the safety brake is in a good and safe condition for use. Then the inspecting operator must fill out and sign the protocol placed in the bag hanging inside the cabin before starting using the lift. If the safety brake is not engaged by the first stomp, the operator can make another attempt by placing the cabin in the start position again and stomp even harder on the cabin floor this time. If the stomp does not engage the safety brake in either first or second attempt, or if the safety brake cannot restrain the cabin during manual descend, the operator must immediately take the service lift out of service by bringing the service lift to the bottom floor, switching off and disconnecting the power supply, placing relevant lockout/tagout to prevent reconnection for use. Finally, the operator must note the lockout/tagout in the protocol and call Avanti for assistance.